Namaste, welcome back to my channel. I am Swati and today I am going to talk about my favorite matte formulation lipsticks, maybe in bullet, maybe in liquid lipstick. So without any further ado, let's get started. Start with the lipstick what I am wearing right now. So this is the Shimber Extreme Wear Transfer Proof Liquid Lipstick and it's in the shade 432, and this is the swatch. It's a beautiful dark brown, red brownish color, and it will look good on all skin tones like medium fair, fair and even dusky, because it's a beautiful, you can see it's a dark color. And talking about the longevity, it lasts for I think 6 to 8 hours. I have wore this like for more than 8 hours. It gets like a little bit it fades away a little bit from the middle part of your lips, but it stays there. And you need a lip balm for this. This is not dry liquid lipstick like Sugar Smudge Me Not, but this is a beautiful comfortable lipstick. Now I'm gonna talk by the most favorite formulation which I have recently discovered. So I have this Disguise Feather Light Matte Liquid Lip Cream. This is how it looks like. It's a beautiful tube packaging. I don't know, whenever I see these I feel like chemistry with this, because it looks like test tube. So it's a beautiful red shade. This is how the red looks like. It's beautiful red, a classic red lipstick. And I will tell you, this is in the shade Inspired Red 35. So it is going to take like 1 to 2 minutes to settle down. You can see that the Shimber hasn't settled down, but this lipstick is almost drying, and this is transfer proof lipstick. Like it doesn't get transferred. It's one of the best matte formula I have ever used. It is like so light, like the name has justified, because it's a Feather Light Matte Liquid Lip Cream. So it's not cream, it's a liquid lipstick. It's a beautiful liquid lipstick that will stay on your lips like forever, I think, because I have in the shade, I don't remember. And that is one of the lipstick I carried a lot, and I have almost used that one. And this is I got in my fab bag. It dries down very quickly, and this is transfer proof lipstick, and it is very light in texture. If you have like very dry and chappy lips like mine, go for this, girl. It's a beautiful formulation and it will stay long day. So my third formulation is this Sugar. It's nothing else matter long wear lipsticks, and it's in the shade Mauve On, yeah, Move On. So it's a beautiful lipstick. As you can see, it's mauvish color. And so this is not a transfer proof lipstick, but it is going to stay for at least 5 to 6 hours without budging. Also, if you eat oily food, it can move. But this is not a transfer proof lipstick. It's a beautiful shade. It also is very lightweighted, I must say. I don't remember the price, but I will mention all the prices on the screen. So my next formulation is this MAC. This is in the shade Oh Lady 109. So this is a liquid lipstick. Again, it's a matte. It's a beautiful purple deep burgundy kind of color. So this is how the shade looks like. It's going to good look on all the skin tone. So it is going to take like 1 to 2 minutes. You can see that this is hasn't settled down yet, but it will settle down in 1 to 2 minutes. The talking about this MAC liquid lipstick, it's a beautiful formulated lipstick. It is all matte. As you can see now, it's dried down, and it's very pigmented, guys. Like one swipe and you will get a lot of pigment on your lips. It will suit all Indian skin tone, and it also stays for 6 to 8 hours without budging. Also, it can fade away if you start eating oily food, like a very little, but it stays put all day long without you have to reapply it. Next is this color bar in the shade Hot Latte. So it says it's a kiss proof stain lipstick. This is how the shade looks like, Hot Latte, and it's a beautiful formulated lip stain for your lips, and it doesn't budge. It also takes 1 to 2 minutes to settle down on your lips, then it becomes transfer proof. And you can have a lot of shades because there are like variety of shades available in this. My next favorite is this Sugar Sweet Secret Matte Lipstick. I have 3 shades I think, and they all are beautiful, and it's in the shade Georgette Grape 17. This is how the shade looks like. And talking about this lipstick, this is a beautiful formulated matte lipstick, but this is not transfer proof, but it is so lightweighted that it stays on your lips all day long. But there is no dry feeling, just like the Sugar Smudge We Not. You can wear a liquid lipstick very easily, and it's so comfortable on your lips. I think this is a must have if you have very dry lips but you still want to wear liquid lipstick. So it's a kind of creamy formula, so it is not drying at all, but it is matte, so it's gonna stay long. If you want a complete transfer proof lipsticks, so these are the 4 lipstick which are transfer proof and matte, like literal matte. And I think if you ask me one lipstick that is like a beautiful very lightweighted matte lipstick, and it stays for very long hours on your lips, but it doesn't make your lips very dry, so I'm gonna say go for this lipstick. This is the Disguise one, and it's a beautiful formulated lipstick, I told you before. And I think this is the winner because I have really dry lips. So if you ask me for second best matte liquid lipstick, so I will ask you to go for this Color Bar Kiss Proof Lip Stain, because this is also a beautiful formulated lipstick. It is as same as this lipstick, and it stays put on. So I think these both are the recommendation from all the above lipstick if you want like a transfer proof lipstick and which is very light on your lips as well as. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. And if you have any request or any suggestions, please comment down below and I will see it and I will work on it as soon as possible, and I will meet you guys very soon. So bye.